Welcome back. I'm Ramsey Davis, application engineer with CFM Company, and in this week's edition of How to Stay Out of Trouble in eCAPS, I'm going to show you how Greenhex System Effects Simulator can predict some of those pesky issues out in the field that cause weaker fan performance. Let's take a look. All manufacturers that certify their performance have to do so under standardized inlet and outlet conditions, so they're all kept on a level playing field. Let's take a look at a utility set exhaust fan and see what happens when we deviate from those standardized inlet and outlet conditions. Right off the bat, you'll notice that we have no inlet or outlet condition, otherwise known as free inlet or free outlet, but we have an air volume loss and a power increase. That's because the fans aren't tested that way. They're tested with a ducted outlet. If we throw on a ducted outlet, that negative system effect goes away completely. But if we start adding some elbows or any other less desirable inlet and outlet conditions, you can see how poorly this can impact your fan performance. Here we have a 7% volume loss, a 22% power increase, ultimately leading to a system effect of almost 1.5 inches. At least now you can anticipate some of these issues in the design stages rather than on the fly. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.